Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In this class, we will discuss about iframes. So, the iframe functionality is when you want to show some other page, some other web page in our web page, then this iframe tag is very much useful, friends. Not only web page, if you want to show some video in your web page as a separate in a separate part in one part of your web page, let us suppose I think you want to display some video. Okay. Uh, then we will make use of this iframe tag, friends. Let us see the syntax of iframe. So the iframe syntax is look like this. So iframe opening and the attribute source. Okay, the page you are going to you are wanting to display, that page address you have to give here, and then the height and width of the frame you want to display in your web page, friends. Okay, then closing iframe tag, that is the common syntax. Okay, it will appear in a rectangular shape box. Okay, that depends upon your height and width of that iframe. Okay, then if you want to display video, okay, let's suppose say take YouTube video in your web page. It is possible, friends, it is possible. In the source attribute you have to give the URL of your YouTube video. Okay, so let us discuss this topic in VS Code, friends. Let's switch over to VS Code from here. So I am copying it and let me put side by side. This is our browser, this is our HTML document. Okay, so first we need to type iframe. Okay, iframe, then you need to give source attribute of the web page. Okay, if you want to give the web page address, then say suppose here is your web page w3. Okay, w3 standards web page. For example, take this standard uh, organization for HTML. So this W3 consortium is the standards definition defining organization for HTML, friends. Okay, so this is the URL address. Okay, let's copy it, and then here you have to paste it. So the source address we have given. Then width of the iframe, say 250, and height of the let's give it as so width 500, height 300. Let us say suppose give it like that, and then the closing iframe already is there. Okay, now let us see, this is our empty page, nothing is appearing here. Okay, if suppose I save it, let us see what happens. So one frame was appeared in our web page with the width and height. Okay, so here the website came, right? So this is not our own website, this is some other website, but we are displaying some other website in our web page. So this is our web page address. Okay, so now what we are doing with the help of iframe, we had embedded this w3 URL, the web page which is showing here. to our website. Okay, right? This is the advantage of iframe, friends. Okay, this is not limited to only the web page. You can embed video also. Let us say give one break. Let us and in the source tab we need to give the URL address of the YouTube. Okay, so in order to give the URL address of the YouTube, you need to first go to the YouTube. Say right. So let us suppose we need this video to be in our website. Let us say, so you need to take this URL. Okay, URL address, and then let us suppose we had given it. Okay, then width and height. Okay, let's copy it. Just copy it. Okay, the same width and height. Okay, let us save it and see the result. One more iframe was appeared here, right? So you can see youtube.com refused to connect. So video it is not appearing. So it was breakdown. So there is one more easy way is there. So YouTube itself has given the link for this type of problems. So instead of taking this URL of this video, what you can do is just right click on the video and then select copy embed code. Okay, or copy video URL or copy embed code. Okay, so let's copy the embed code. Copied. So the code was copied. The video code was copied. Now let us copy it here. Here you can see the YouTube itself has given the address neatly with the iframe with the width and height. Already all are predefined. You can see the source HTTP, YouTube, embed, so and so code, and the frame border, everything was given ready madely by the YouTube. So all you need to do is just go to the video you want and click right on that video, copy the embed code and use that embed code in your web page like here. Let us see, let us save and see. Let's delete it. Save. Okay, I have saved and it was loaded here. You can see now. You can see. So this is our web page, but we are seeing the YouTube video, this video in our web page like this. Let us play it. So it seems that internet is little bit slow here. Due to it is peak hour. Okay. So now it will play. Okay, like that it will play. So this is the procedure, friends. Okay. So you will embed the web page as well as here you can see you embedded the web page, other web page in your web page, and you already you have embedded the video also.
People make decisions every day. For
Okay, it is now
example, before you
playing.
go outside, you kind of have an if statement that says if it's raining,
Okay, so this video you are
then I
seeing
need to
in
get
your
my
web page, friends.
jacket.
Okay, so
And
that is
computers are
the
amazing
idea.
once you
Okay, friends, so in the next class we will discuss some more topics. So till then, bye bye. Your Svira signing off. Thank you for listening.